So the name of the question is rooms. So there is a Harsh and he is thinking of buying a hotel. So he has a number of rooms. So at every day he will have a number of guests in the hotel. So each will have an arriving time and a departure time. So he needs to know the minimum number of rooms he need to accommodate them all. So we are given a integer t test case and the number of guests and their arrival and departure time. So what will we do? So we have guests. So every guest have an arrival and departure time. So we'll store it in vector. Vector will store uh, arrival and departure, and we'll sort the vector. So we have the guest that will arriving first. So what we'll do? So we'll have a priority queue. Priority queue in priority queue will have the departure time of the guest. So we'll go through the vector and we see first first guest. So we'll accommodate a room. So we'll have minimum one room. So we have guest like he comes at 9. So he is in the room and he'll leave at 11. So we'll put 11 here. So we will see the next person. If he comes at 10, so he's accommodating the room. So we'll add another room and we'll put the departure of his here like 12. So suppose this person will come at 11:30. So this person will have been gone by then. So we'll empty his room. So we'll empty his room and put this person in this room. So we don't have to increase the number of rooms. So these are the two basic cases. We have a case where we don't have to increase the number of rooms and a case where we have to increase the number of rooms. So let's see the code. So like I said, we'll take a vector and a priority queue. So in the vector we will push the coming time and the departure time and we'll sort it and we'll have the minimum of one room as I've said earlier. So we'll iterate through vector and we'll see if the arrival time of any guest is greater than the departure time of the minimum departure time of any guest. So if it is, then we'll pop the guest and we'll push him instead. Otherwise we'll increase the number of rooms and push him anyways, and at the end we'll output number of rooms.